Hey, this is Bryan here with All American Hauling and Demolition. Just wanted to shoot a little video about paint recycle and chemical recycle. You know, we get a lot of calls about people wanting us to haul their paint and their chemicals away, and we're technically not allowed to do that. You're supposed to have a license to do it, but homeowners can haul their own paint and recyclables within their county. There are facilities set up in each county for them to do that. All you need to do is get your paint, put it in a box, Google paint recycling in your county, and the address will come up. And you can take up to 50 gallons per trip to haul away for free as long as you have your driver's license. So I just thought I would share that with everybody out there. Hope you have a great day. Hey everybody, it's Bryan here with All American Hauling and Demolition. If you like what you saw in the video and need some work done, be it big or small, give us a call or check the link below, or you can also text us. We'd love to give you a free estimate day or night. Thanks again.